You're probably using AI the wrong way. Every time you want to change something in an AI image, do you regenerate the whole image? If yes, you're wasting time. Hey, welcome to FinverseLab, where we make tech simple. This is day one of my 69-day tech and AI challenge. Let's say you generate an image and everything looks perfect, but you want to change one small thing. Maybe the person's shirt color, maybe the background, maybe you want to add sunglasses or remove an object. Most people hit generate again. The problem? The AI creates a completely different image and you lose the version you liked. Here's the smarter way. Open Google Flow and generate your image. Now, instead of regenerating everything, click on the pencil or edit tool. Select the specific area you want to change. Then type a simple instruction. For example, change the shirt to black. The AI edits only that selected part while keeping the rest of the image exactly the same. This saves time and gives you much better results. Once you start using this feature, you'll never want to regenerate entire images again. It's one of the easiest AI tricks that most people don't know about. That's it for day one. Follow FinverseLab for daily AI and tech tips. I'll see you tomorrow for day two.